Hello everyone, Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab. Today I'll walk you through how to pin or unpin a text message on your Galaxy phone so you can keep your most important conversations right at the top. To begin, open the Messages app. This app is where all your SMS messages, personal chats, OTPs, and service notifications are stored. Once opened, you'll see a list of your recent conversations arranged by date. Now scroll through the list and find the specific conversation you want to pin. Now, long press on that message thread. When you do this, a menu bar will appear at the top of the screen with several options. Look for the pin icon. Tap the pin symbol and the selected conversation will instantly move to the top of your message list. Pinned messages stay at the top even when new messages arrive, making them easy to access. If you ever want to unpin a conversation, simply long press the pinned message again. The top menu will reappear. Tap the unpin symbol and the conversation will return to its normal position based on the most recent message date. This feature is especially helpful for keeping family, work, or emergency contacts easily accessible. Thanks for watching and learning with Quantum Tech Lab. Don't forget to explore more smart tips to make your Galaxy experience smoother and more organized.